Hello everyone, this is Theo from MAXIZM Construction Machinery. We focus on exporting construction machinery for 50 years. Today we are at Qingdao Port. The big guy next to me is SDLG E6350F Excavator, and it is ready to ship now. SDLG is a famous brand in the world, and this model is SDLG's outstanding models. I will introduce to you carefully. Let's go.
The operating weight is 34,000 kg. The standard bucket capacity is 2 cubic meters, and the bucket has other options can choose. For example, the rock bucket. About the bucket capacity, it can be larger or smaller than standard capacity according to your requirements.
This machine is equipped with Deutz engine, which is its Euro 3-stage emission, and the rate power is 215 kW. Looking forward to cooperate with you. See you next time. Bye.